Clearances. Ensures no dues from students before exams and also from all the staff. Enables great communication throughout the system users with very less efforts. Challenges. Maintenance of the flow for clearances through manually may occur some errors. Management should be focused on the library books and the lab things which took by the students and staff. This makes more efforts to keep the record physically in papers or books. For approval of the student clearances we need to go for each and every department for their approvals. Solution. Capability of doing clearance process in a structured way by creating or using the existing departments and templates for which approvals staff and students are linked up. Flexible creation of clearance forms to number of students and automatic sharing of clearances to the respective staff and students for further process. Capability to send a mail or announcement as an alert message to the student if the clearances is not fixed in a scheduled time. Benefits. Ease of accessing assigned students for clearances and scheduling the date and time for meeting which is updated automatically to the student. Ease access to know student's clearance, consult member for approval, scheduled meeting times, clearances status. Receiving reminders through mail, if student is failed to do with the clearance process. Less efforts to complete the clearances process and save time during exam time.
Hi. We are SMAX.